welcome back to my channel. So it's me, Angel.B. So today I did a fall inspired look, which I'm feeling myself. I don't care what nobody say, I'm feeling myself. Okay? Can't nobody tell me that she not be. But anyway, if you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned.
Alright y'all, we're going to start off with a Plouise base, and we're going to put it all over the eyelids so we have a clean canvas to start off with. So the first palette we are going to start off with is the Morphe X Jacklyn Hill, and the palette name is called Dark Magic. And the shade we are going to be using today is Inside Job. Okay, so we're going to pat the shade into the crease, and we're going to build it up. So now we're going to be using Morphe X Jacklyn Hill, and the palette's name is called Ring the Alarm. The two shades we're going to be using today is Alert, and the second shade is called Mugshot. So we're going to use the Alert to soften the edges inside of the inside job. And we are going to bring the shade up to our brow bone. And to soften it even more, we are going to use the Mugshot. Okay, so for this part, we're going to want to go back and forth between three shades that we've been using so far to make it blend in smoother. Now we are going to use the Plouise base to cut the crease. Okay, so now we're going to use the small paintbrush that we got from the craft store, and now we're just going to use the brush to cut the crease. We're going to use the brush to outline the crease, then we will fill it in with a bigger brush later. now we're going to use the inside job, and we're going to put it on the outer corner of our eye and blend it inwards a little. The next palette is by Juvia's Place, and the palette is called Saharan 2. The shade is Zora. We're going to put the shade next to the inside job, and we are going to go in patting motions to get the colors to blend together. Palette is a Zulu palette, and this palette does not have a shade name, so we're just going to call it orange. We're going to put the orange by the Zora, and make sure that you blend in the shade well. Last and final shade is called Aziza, and we are going to blend it in with the orange. Okay guys, so my mom is going to do her wing line off camera, and she will finish her face, and she will be back for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and this is your girl, Lynn, and I was doing my mom's voiceover.